everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you a New York haul. These are the things that I did get while I was in New York or that were delivered to me here at the apartment while I was still in New York. So like a bit of a collective haul, if you will.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, all that good stuff, but mostly handbags. I really love those a lot here. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's jump on into the video. So, I recently just got back from my trip to New York. Me and my husband went for a week. As you have been seeing the New York City vlogs, we had a wonderful time. We had a fantastic, beautiful, amazing time. I could not have asked for a better experience. It was phenomenal. I loved every second of it. But I did pick up a couple things. Honestly, I didn't do very much shopping while I was in New York, only because I knew that I wanted to spend my money on experiences. You know, I wanted to spend the majority of the money on food, tourist, the cool things, but mostly food. We went to so many food places, it was insane. If this video seems a little low energy, I am super sick. I was just not well yesterday. Today's a little bit better. Today it's kind of just turned into sinuses, but yeah, so if you can tell it's low energy, that's why. But I did want to show you the things that I did pick up while I was in New York. It's not very many. I actually had more things be delivered at our apartment back home than I picked up in New York, so I'll show you everything, a bit of a collective haul. So let's just jump on in. The first place I picked up something, and this is actually where I got most of everything, is Harry Potter world. Yeah, me and my husband went into the Harry Potter area in New York, and I had no idea that they had one of these in New York. None. No clue. The only reason I knew about it or found out about it is because I saw someone walking around the park with a Harry Potter world shopping bag, like a bag, and I was like, hello, is there a Harry Potter something here? So I googled it. Sure enough, there was like a Harry Potter New York, so me and Raph went in there, and Raph was so sweet. He actually got me these things for me. He got them for my birthday kind of thing, because his birthday was June 4th, my birthday was June 7th. So the first thing, I've already framed these because they weren't framed before. But this one right here is a platform 9 3/4 card. You can use it as a greeting card, like a card that you mail to somebody, or the lady at Harry Potter World said that you can fit it in a frame as well. So that's what we have done. I got this one from Michael's. They had a 2-for-1 deal, so you buy one get one free. So I got a black one right here for the platform 9 3/4, and then we also got this one in a black frame, which is a chocolate frog with Dumbledore, and it actually works. Look at that, how cool. So we are going to be putting these around the house. So we already have a spot for the platform 9 3/4 one, but we don't have a spot for this one yet, so I'll just kind of be looking around. Maybe I'll put it on top of our piano. That could be kind of cool. I just love the gold foiling so much. It's just so pretty. And then the biggest thing at Harry Potter World that he did get for me is this. And if you can see, of course, I'm pretty sure I did get a wand. This is the wand that I got. I was actually in between this wand and Seraphina Hickory, is that her name? Seraphina's wand. I really like the pink bit, like the pink gem that she has on the end of her wand, but I'm like definitely more of a Harry Potter fan than a Fantastic Beasts fan. So I was just like, you know what, let me just be basic like everybody else and get Hermione's wand, and I really like it. I'm really glad I did. It's so beautiful. I like it a lot. It's really good quality. I know I'm a luxury channel, guys, and I'm over here showing, look at my wand. I'm sorry, I swear there is, like, you know, some luxury, well, not really luxury, but I do have like other things to show you than like Harry Potter stuff. But yeah, I got this wand. It's very nice. The next thing that I got was actually this phone case, and we got this at the Met. I really love. I've literally almost bought this exact phone case multiple times from the CASETIFY website. And you know what? I even thought about it when we were inside the Met, like looking through it. And then we went into the gift shop and I just happened to like think about it and I was like, oh, I guarantee you they have the CASETIFY X Met phone cases here. And I asked one of the employees and they did. And they had the one that I wanted. I was so excited because I saw a lot of the Van Gogh ones, which I love all of them, but this one has a gold back, whereas the other ones have a black back, I think. But this one I freaking love. It's gold here and it has a Monet painting on it, and I really love this phone case. And then the last thing I got in New York is I actually got my final ear piercing. I will be making a dedicated video on my curated ears. I don't know if anyone's going to watch that video, but I saw Caitlin Polowski do it and I was like, oh my god, now that I have my final one done, maybe I can do the video too. But I really love ear piercings and I love the way they look on myself and other people. And this is what I got. If you can, listen, if it looks like black and blue and bruised and everything, please know I got this piercing like 2 or 3 days ago. It is still healing and it's fine. Everything is fine. I'm taking good care of it. I'm using the saline solution like 3 times a day. Everything is good. I'm not an ear piercer or anything like that, but look, there she is. It does look really black and blue and stuff, but I promise it's okay. But it's so cute. I really wanted to get this area pierced. This is the cutest little lightning bolt piercing and I just thought it would look so cute with everything else I have going on. I did get it done at Studs. I had no idea that there was a Studs store we were in Hudson Yards, and it's where we saw the vessel, and it's so cool. There's a mall. Is the mall called The Edge? I don't know. I love it a lot, and I will do a whole video again on my curated ears and tell you, you know, like tips and tricks that I have, why I got what I got and everything. But that is basically everything that I did get in New York, like literally there. But I actually have quite a few things to show that actually arrived here while I was in New York and then my mom came to pick up for us. And then I did get like 2 things actually when I got back from New York that arrived yesterday. So I'll just show you all of that. There are gonna be a couple things on this list that I may not be able to show because this video is gonna be going up on Wednesday. I have my last New York vlog going up on Monday, so hopefully everything will be here by the time this vlog goes up. There's only one thing that I'm not sure will get here in time. The first couple things I have are from ARITZIA. I have been wanting the skatey bodysuit that I have in like this beautiful blue color. I think I did a haul on that. I really wanted a black one, and the skatey one in black has been like perpetually sold out forever. But I found this one on ARITZIA, and this is like the Divinity, I don't really know. It's the Wilfred Free. I think it's the Divinity one, and it looks like this. I love these kinds of bodysuits. They're so flattering and fun, and my gosh, my voice just sounds shot. I apologize. But of course I will be trying this stuff on, and I'll have everything linked in the description. Just as long as I can find it, I will of course have it linked for you. But yeah, this is such a cute little romper bodysuit. No, it's not a romper at all, it's a bodysuit. And I also, from ARITZIA, got this black shirt. It's kind of like a blazer, but it's not a blazer. It's meant to just be like, you know how you have like a white button down shirt, like a big oversized white button down shirt. It's kind of meant to be like that, but a little bit more structured. Yeah, really nice. It's super nice. It's such good quality, and I'm really excited to be, you know, pairing this with other stuff. This is also by Wilfred. I feel like most of the stuff that I buy on ARITZIA is Wilfred. I really like this. I got mine in a size small, and I also, in the bodysuit, I got it in a size small as well. I do have one piece that's not here yet. It should arrive tomorrow, but I'll post a picture of it right here. They are pants, again from ARITZIA, and they are just cute little flared kind of like leggings, but they're not leggings. They're just like flared pants. They're really, really nice. I will put a little clip in right now so you can see what they look like. Good morning, everyone. Please do not mind my voice. I'm so sorry. This is just kind of how I sound. I'm still a bit sick from my video that you saw in my last clip, so I got these pants in. They're so nice. I'm obsessed with these. And I hope you liked those as much as I do. I mean, I hope I like them. I don't have them yet. I hope I like them. Next up is one that I do not have yet. And it is, you guys, Raf bought me an Always pan for my birthday. I mean, Raf is just, my husband is just the best husband in the entire world. He's so freaking sweet. I have wanted an Always pan for so long. I know a lot of people say the Always pan is not worth it, that it's too expensive, and I understand. I really just wanted to try it out, and I did get the collab with Selena Gomez. I got the beautiful Azul bright blue color. I love that electric blue. It's so, so pretty, and it should be coming in within the next couple of days, so I will be showing that to you guys as well. And I don't know, I hope I really like it. I do. It looks beautiful and I can't wait to use it, but I hope it really works. It arrived. Look, here it is. Oh my god, it's so blue. Okay, so here's like the little sponge, and then I got the Selena collab. It's so cute. Ooh, here's the lid. Wow, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Now you can see it better. I had to turn the light on, but this top is actually a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. I've heard a few people say that the Always pan is heavy. I've heard people say that the Always pan is kind of light. So I don't really know, but I just know, look how pretty and blue it is. A little basket for like dumplings, veggies, like a little steamer. Look how cute. Oh, and then we got the little wooden spatula. Oh, she's so beautiful. Like, I'm honestly really happy and excited about this, but I'm also a little scared because I hope it works. Here's what she looks like in the kitchen. There she is. I will definitely be using her relatively soon. I don't know when, but she's beautiful. Next up, I got these. I got these from Michael's. And these are just little mason jars. I got them with a handle because they're so freaking cute, and I got these for my iced coffee. I really wanted one that had a handle to it as well, just, I don't know, to make it easier to hold for some reason, but I got these from Michael's. But it's just like a cute little mason jar, but I think these are really aesthetic and I really like them. So next up, I got this Apple Watch band. Listen, I have been really wanting to wear my Apple Watch more. I haven't worn it in so long because I'm trying to like figure out what I want to do with my arms. Like when it comes to like my bracelets and stuff. I had my Larson & Jennings watch on this arm up until yesterday, and then I had my Hermes bracelet on this arm. But after getting this watch band, look at this. Are you seeing? It's rose gold. And I got this from Amazon. It is not diamonds. This is like stainless steel, but it's still super cute and like no one would know, right? It's so cute, and then it matches because the face for the watch here is also rose gold. So this is like my rose gold hand. Everything on here is rose gold. And this can be like my gold hand because everything on here currently is gold. So I don't know, I really like it so far, and just the band is so cute. It took me forever to adjust it though because, you know, I have like teeny tiny baby wrists. And you guys, that is everything that I did get for my New York trip and the stuff that arrived to me while I was there back home. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And what was your favorite thing that I showed on this video today? I want to know. Just leave me a comment telling me that, or leave me a comment telling me anything just because I want to know everything. I'm very nosy. But again, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!